Hello everyone and welcome to the day 11 of Digital Marketing series. This session is particularly about Instagram marketing. Instagram marketing is a type of social media marketing which involves promoting a brand on Instagram. This social media platform helps brands connect with an enormous audience, increase brand awareness, and boost sales. So without further wait, let's start the session.
Before we start the session, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Agenda for today's video will be optimize your Instagram profile, research your target audience, content is the king, caption is the heart, hashtags the game changer, analysis and role of influencers. We will wind up the video by general points that has to be kept in mind. So let's move on to the video. This video is completely from the perspective of a business trying to gain followers on Instagram. So let's see how it is done. So the first one will be optimize your Instagram profile. When I say optimize your Instagram profile, the first thing that you have to be careful about is giving a proper name to your business account. So give a complete business name to your business account on Instagram. Use a general term that represents your business in your bio. For example, if you are a fitness coach and you're trying to gain clients through Instagram, then you have to mention fitness coach over there. If you are a digital marketer trying to gain clients through Instagram, then you have to mention digital marketer. Why I'm telling is this, because if somebody is searching, so if you are a fitness coach, so if somebody is searching for fitness, then automatically your profile will be on the top, or there is a probability that they can find you or they can reach you. So that is why we are saying that we need to use a general term to represent the business in the bio, and also add a link or the link of the website, or it can be the link of the app in the bio, because only then the viewers can take action to your website. So in short, what I was trying to tell here is that you have to communicate about your identity and your business through delightful actionable info. So the viewer has to get a complete picture about your business. That is what optimizing your Instagram profile means. Now let us move on to some examples. Here it's the Instagram profile of Oreo. So here we can see that they have 3.1 million followers. See, they have mentioned their name, and also they have given a delightful caption, playful moments from your favorite cookie. So they have mentioned the term cookie so that there is a possibility for this Oreo to come on the top when somebody is searching cookie. It need not be Oreo, but even if somebody searches for a cookie, Oreo can come at the top. Then comes the another example of Starbucks. Starbucks have 17.8 million followers. Here also you can see that Starbucks have mentioned the coffee in their names, and also they have given a caption that is to inspire and nurture the human spirit. One person, one cup and one neighborhood at a time. And they have also given the website. You can see that all the famous brands have given their website so that the viewers can take action in their website. Now comes the second topic, that is research your target audience. This is a forecast from Statista where it says that by 2023 there will be around 1,120 million users for Instagram. So just imagine the amount of exposure that you are getting while being on Instagram. But when I say research your target audience, these numbers are pretty impressive. But when I say research, see, if you are focusing, or if your brand is selling a product that is focusing on senior citizens, there is a very less chance for senior citizens to be on Instagram. That's not the trend. Instagram is for the youngsters as well as the youths as well as the young generation. So then there is no point in spending a lot of time and money and effort for marketing in Instagram. So that is what I meant when I say you have to research your target audience. Make sure that your customers are using Instagram. And then comes the most important thing about gaining followers on Instagram, that is content. Content is the king. So through Instagram, what are the 4 types of contents that you can exhibit before your viewers? That will be image post, reels, IGTV videos or Instagram TV videos, and stories. So let's move on to one by one. When I say image post, these are the examples. As we have already seen the account of Oreo, the picture shown on the left side is the Oreo's wall, where you can see that they have given a lot of colorful, delightful images where it's very tempting, right? These images are very tempting. And on the right side, we have a image post of Snickers, where it's a really funny picture where the wife is thinking that he's probably looking at other girls, and the husband or maybe the boyfriend, he's looking at the Snickers. So, and look at their caption, sorry if they like all our pics. So that's how these types of images are kind of contents that attract a lot of attention from people. Similar that Nike has got a huge amount of followers, and their wall looks like this. And on the right side, we have a post of Kit Kat where it says we were on a break. This is a sentence, or this is a dialogue from the most famous sitcom known as Friends. If you are a Friends fan, you'll understand the importance of that. So the break is over at Friends. Could we be any more excited? So that's what the caption they have given. So what I'm trying to tell here is that the image post of these popular brands shows that these posts has to be colorful, and there should be some aesthetic value given to that. And also more than that, it has to impart some kind of emotional value to the viewer. Either it can be a funny, delightful experience, or a motivational experience, or anything apart from a simple picture. And here on the left side, I have a picture of Zomato's image post, which they have uploaded on Teachers Day, where it says that polite attitude and minimal calling. Dal makhni was too spicy, had to order sweet dishes afterwards. To every single foodie whose marks and remarks have helped us get better every day. That is, the company Zomato is trying to value their customers through in a very funny as well as kind of in an emotional way, which is actually crossing the emotional side of the viewers. So this is always winning hearts. And as I have already said, visually appealing and entertaining image posts can attract a lot of organic followers. And then comes the second type of content, that is reels. As you all know, reels are short videos which last for only 1 minute. So reels are permanent and reels are easy to create. And why you should go for reels is because early reels content adopters enjoy favorable exposure. That is, if you're far before or before your competitor, then your success is kind of assured, right? And reels are very easy to share also. And reels offer more visibility potential via multiple hashtag feeds. As there is always a possibility to add hashtags, they offer visibility potential. So you have to work on your reels if you are looking for more followers on Instagram. Then comes IGTV videos. IGTV videos allows a larger video, that is compared to reels. IGTV videos are a bit lengthier. So these videos boost the visibility of the products and services. Since the duration of the video is pretty high, you can actually communicate effectively and educate the viewers and entertain the audiences. So that is what the speciality of Instagram IGTV videos or Instagram videos. And it provides more opportunity for community building, engaging and conversion. Then comes the story. Story is the most important because it's a great way to interact and engage the users. There is an option to create polls and quizzes and other interactive features so that the viewers or the followers can be entertained as well as engaged. So it's very important that we keep them engaged rather than keeping them as viewers. So this can also help us know what are the likes, dislikes and the recent trends among the followers. So this will give us a lots of data and lots of information, so which will help us to take more decisions and to more change our content or modify our content according to what the viewers or what our followers want. So let us get to know more some of the points. Okay, so the contents capture the initial attention of the viewers. So it is always important to have some kind of emotions attached to it. It can be fun and it can be a cool post where the post or the brand can appear as a friend. But it can also add value or touch the emotional side of the people. And generally, if a post or a image post is fun and cool and entertaining, people tend to like it more and people tend to follow that brand more. So always make them laugh so that you stay in their minds. And always give importance to the presentability of the post. it should look better because Instagram is a place for visual senses to activate the visual aspects of an individual. So you should always edit the post to increase the aesthetic pleasure that it gives to the viewers. Rely on user generated contents to create more engagements. That is, whenever you're selling a product to one of your clients through Instagram, just ask them to make a short video of unboxing or maybe an appreciation post for your product. All these kinds of contents can give more credibility to your brand, as well as it can create a word of mouth. And always hold on to the values of the brand in each post. All the posts must convey the idea and the mission and the vision of our brand. Only then these brands can attract a lot of people. And whenever you are using fonts in the image post, make sure that these fonts are similar to that of the fonts in your website so that the people can find it familiar. And embrace all the different types of content rather than sticking on to one type of content. As we have already seen, there are 4 different kinds of content in Instagram, like Instagram videos or IGTV videos, reels, Instagram stories, and image post. So use all these types of different contents and then make use of it. So what are the best content strategy to deliver meaningful content to connect with the people? Let us take a look into that. First of all, you should choose a simple promise and you should be able to deliver a sophisticated message. So when you are posting an image on Instagram, it should deliver more than something that the picture can deliver. What I mean is that it should try to impart some kind of value and provide some kind of emotional connectivity through the brand experience. That is what I meant when I say that it should deliver a sophisticated message. Create a unique visual narrative. As you already know, the internet is crowded with a lot and lots of contents. So it's always important to be unique and different when you are trying to create a visual image in the minds of people. Build your story on the 4 pillars of the visual storytelling. So, if you would notice that all the successful brands tries to tell a story and they try to give an image or construct an image in the minds of the viewers. So, what are the 4 pillars of storytelling that these types of brands rely on? Let us check that and then understand this point clearly. The 4 pillars of storytelling are authenticity, sensory, archetypes, and relevancy. Authenticity is that your content or your image or the story that you are trying to tell should be authentic. And then comes the sensory. That is, when you're telling a story or when you're conveying an idea, all the different types of senses are involved. That is, your senses, that is your eyes are involved, your visual aspects of an individual are involved, and then the memory of an individual is involved, and the emotions associated with that memory is also involved. So you are invoking all these senses together. So make sure that you are handling all the emotions of an individual properly through your brand and or through your stories, so that they tend to retain you or retain the brand in their minds. And then comes the archetypes. Archetypes are the examples that we try to convey through our posts or our content. And then comes the relevancy. People should be able to relate it to it, or the content should be relevant. These are the 4 pillars of visual storytelling. So whenever you make a content, you should be able to build your content on these 4 pillars of storytelling. Then you should take or choose your storytelling route. When I say route, every story is based on some kind of a route. Let's say it can be a desire for justice, or a desire for love, or a desire for order, pleasure, or desire for validation.
Just a quick info, guys. If you want to make a career in digital marketing, then Intellipaat provides an advanced certification in digital marketing and analytics. It is taught by IIT professors and industry experts with more than 10 years of experience. This course is designed to upskill and land your dream job. Now let's continue with the session.
Or it can be based on any story. It can be based on either desires or it can be based on fears. When I say fear, it's a fear of unknown or fear of death. Or it can also be based on the challenge of the morality that when the choices have to be made. So these are the different routes. So either one of these route has to be chosen when you pick or when you try to post some content. And whenever you choose this, I'm pretty sure that your brand can reach the customer's emotional side, and thereby you can get a good place or get a good position in the minds of our people. And then associate your message with the right occasions. This is very important because the brand's visual storytelling will be driven by the occasions. So whenever you tell a story, people will be able to relate to these occasions, and it is very important that brands are retained in their minds when they can connect it with the occasions or different occasions in their lives. And then comes the caption. Caption is the heart of any content. So captions are the means to communicate and open up. It's an emotional space. As I've already told you, see, if you are a business owner and you have a brand and you're posting a content, your content can capture the attention, can convey emotional values and all. But where this communication takes place, where can you directly communicate with the viewer or the reader or the follower? That is the place. That place is the captions. So captions are the heart of the any kind of content when it comes to attracting or gaining followers on Instagram. Captions should be long and good enough so that whenever somebody reads it, they can relate to it, they can connect with you, and they should be able to give a direct message to you. Only that is considered to be as a good caption. So always work on your captions, and go for vulnerable and deep captions so that you can connect with your customers. And whenever you are able to make a caption through which you can attract direct messages from different people, these are the warm leads or these are your future clients. So always take care of these kinds of clients, and I'm pretty sure that your business or your brand will gain a lot of followers if you are working on your captions. And make sure that you have captions that will follow the know, like, trust pattern. That is, whenever you write a caption, make sure that somebody who is new should be able to know about your brand, and they should be able to like you through your caption, and they should be able to trust you through your caption. So whenever you are writing a caption, make sure to choose those particular words or particular sentences, particular tone of your caption, so that they can know you, they can like you, and they can trust you. And then comes our next hero, that is the hashtag. Hashtags are the game changers. Let us see more about hashtags. Instagram permits a maximum of 30 hashtags. So if you want to attract more followers and more attention, use all the 30 hashtags and use relevant hashtags, and always avoid this general hashtags like business or success, because these are too vague and it doesn't specify, or it's not able to convey the image of your business. So avoid these kind of too general hashtags. Use relevant hashtags, use unique hashtags, use simple to medium or small to medium kind of hashtags, and change your hashtags. This is an important point, because if you keep using the same hashtags for all the posts, Instagram or the algorithm of the Instagram sometimes believe that you or your account is a spam, or your post is a spam. So always mix up your hashtags or change your hashtags and use less popular hashtags. As I already said, don't use too general, too vague kind of hashtags. And also use hashtags in your Instagram stories. So if you don't want your hashtag to be seen on the stories, what you can do is you can change the font color of the hashtags into those background colors, so that it doesn't seem visible, but still you can attract a lot of people. And as I've already said, don't go for too generic hashtags, and use small to medium hashtags, and use proper hashtags to promote community engagement. So if you use a hashtag, let us say if you are a fitness coach and your name is maybe John, but nobody's going to search John over there, but people will search for fitness coach. So if you use the hashtag fitness coach or hashtag fitness, there is a higher probability for you to appear in their searches, so that you can gain attention from that particular viewer, and there is a probability that viewer can be converted to your follower and maybe a client of yours in the future if he is impressed by your contents. So hashtags are really important, and here is an example of hashtags where you can see that they have used around 28 to 30 hashtags. Please don't use more than 30 hashtags, because that might make your post irrelevant, and that might reduce your chance of getting in the top positions when somebody searches for a hashtag. As you can see here that they have used a lot of hashtags related as well as less popular hashtags like women supporting women in business, female preneur, like so many inbound marketing, online marketing coach, so many hashtags are used. It's just an example here. And then comes the analysis. In the analysis part, if you're having a business account, you can always get insights like this. When you click on insights, you can see your content and there is activity and there is audiences. From these data, there is a lot of information or there is a lot of insights that we can actually, the heading or the name that Instagram has given, the insights, is actually very self-explanatory, because we can get a lot of insights, we can get a lot of ideas like what are the age range of the people who have viewed my or viewed the particular post, or what is the gender, what is the age range, what is the location. So from all these insights we can take so many important decisions. And that's how the activity, like how many visits, how many clicks, how many emails, how many people discovered, and the website clicks and everything, these kinds of the impressions and the reach. So these kind of information can help you get a lot of data. Yes, you that will give you truckloads of data about your customers and your brand's online presence. How well you have presented yourself online can be understood from these data, and this will also form decisions and improve your marketing efforts as well as the content based on the insight. So here comes the role of influencers in gaining a lot of Instagram followers. When you actually depend on an influencer for promoting a particular product, you can gain access to their fan base. So when that public figure is creating content, the focus is given to the good quality content. Here in this example, you can see that the Kylie Jenner, she is actually promoting hair product as well as body product in Instagram. And there are other added advantages like influencer promotions helps in targeting audience based on demographics. See, this is a great example for that. Puma is an international brand where Puma India is actually targeting the customers from India, right? So what they have did is that they have collaborated with Indian Bollywood actress known as Kareena Kapoor Khan for promoting their product, and this has attained or this has got a lot of attention. So it is easy for them to target Indian clients or Indian fans through Kareena Kapoor's fan base. So it is easy for Puma or it is easy for that particular brand to target based on the demographics, and this example shows that. And here is another example where you can see that the famous football player Cristiano Ronaldo is actually promoting some kind of brands of some watches. So whenever we depend on influencers for promotions, we have so many advantages like amplified brand awareness. Yes, actually when Cristiano Ronaldo is using a watch, the brand awareness is literally amplified, so the word is self-explanatory. And then comes the precise targeting. So let's take another example of a brand which is actually selling sports related accessories. So if Cristiano Ronaldo is being chosen as an influencer to introduce the product, Cristiano Ronaldo's fans are already people who are interested in sports and athletics, and these accessories are actually necessary for such people, for those people who are interested in these. So actually there is a precise targeting of people who are really interested in the sports or athletics when Cristiano Ronaldo is promoting these sports accessories, right? So that is what precise targeting means. And then there is an enhanced credibility and the trust. Okay, so let's take the example of Ronaldo itself. When Ronaldo is using it, then the product will be good. There is this kind of notion in the minds of people. So that is why I said, or that's why the point is like enhanced credibility and trust. And then comes the increased audience engagement where people know it, like it through these influencers. So there is a better engagement and awareness. And then there is an improved search engine rankings, because actually for your website, so influencer is promoting your product and there's a lot of people trying to see what kind of products you have in your website. So if there is a lot of organic traffic, then obviously your search engine optimization improves, and then your rankings improves, and it's a great opportunity for you or for this particular brand to get a better position in the search engine results pages. And this can also lead to better conversions. So this is the role of influencers that they play in promoting products and in attracting customers as well as conversions, and also in getting you a lot of Instagram followers. So now let us move on to the general points that has to be kept in mind whenever you are a brand, or whenever a brand page is being published on Instagram. Don't follow any account to simply follow or to gain followers. Just follow anybody with the intention of giving a good image, that okay, people will see that which all are the pages that this particular brand has been following, and this will actually shape the image that you have in front of your viewers or the customers or the followers. So don't follow any account to simply follow. Ensure the consistency of the post. Don't let the followers completely forget about your brand due to your inconsistency in content delivery. You have to be very consistent and schedule it before. And always tag the location in your post, because it is easy to target on the basis of demographic features or demographic aspects. So don't forget to tag your location. And make use of stories. Run contests or polls in the stories, and this ensures maximum engagement. So don't forget that. Avoid fake Instagram followers. You might be already knowing that you can buy fake followers with some money, but organic traffic or organic followers are far better. And avoid Instagram fake followers, because this will affect the credibility of your product and your brand. And always link your Instagram account to other platforms and websites, and schedule your Instagram post in advance and post it at the right time. See, when I say right time, let me tell you an example. You are selling a product for corporate people. So these corporate people are like, they might be working during weekdays like Monday to Friday, and they'll be free on weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday. So you have to release your new product or any new kind of discount, or any new feature of your product has to be released on a particular time that it can reach your relevant customers at a really good time. See, when you are selling a product to corporate people and you are releasing your post or your Instagram reels or your new content on a Monday morning, nobody is going to see, because everybody will be working. But at the same time, if you release it on a Friday evening or during weekends or during Sunday, there's a great probability to reach the right customer. So take care of the time that you release your contents, and then try to design a gorgeous grid for your profile if possible. If you can see that the grids give us an overall look, so when people are scrolling through it, if it's really good, it can capture a lot of attention, and there's a great possibility of conversions. So take care of the design of the grid. So what are your final thoughts? Do share it with us on comments. And always invest in knowledge, because an investment in knowledge always pays you the best interest. So read more about digital marketing and topics like this through our Intellipaat blogs, and don't forget to go through our YouTube videos to get more knowledge on various topics.
Just a quick info, guys. If you want to make a career in digital marketing, then Intellipaat provides an advanced certification in digital marketing and analytics. It is taught by IIT professors and industry experts with more than 10 years of experience. This course is designed to upskill and land your dream job.
We have come at the end of the session. Kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.